Mo pa nga agahay yung tanan, salamat tan iyo imbitasyon na akon for your 37th Paris anniversary. Congratulations sa iyong tanan. Labi na iyo, Father Josol and Father Gomez. I've been there for 8 years in San Jose. We started to renovate the church. We built the Paris Formation Hall. We had several formation programs. And so congratulations to all your participation before, and damo nga salamat. I think we did something special. Labinahan BEC, we tried it. That means 37 years ago, you were successful in making the Paris experience in the BEC. Live it, share it to your kids, to your neighborhood, and feel the beauty of our Christian and Catholic faith. Okay? Adi nas waray na buhok, 71 years old or 70, and I've been in a priest for 46 years, 21 dida, tapos 25 didi. Maybe sometime I'll be able to go back there, maybe next year o 2 years from now. Okay? Igampo niyo nga magpabilin niya gwapo. Magpabilin nga malipayo niya pa di yung serbisyo didi sugan man dida in time be able to pray for you. Okay? Praying for you too. God bless you all. Thank you.